Hello friends, this is the picture of atherosclerosis where you can see here. See, here everything is good. The arteries are this is an angiogram picture, right? So the arteries are completely fine. But if you see here, there is a um, area which is narrowing. Atherosclerotic narrowing is seen here. Okay, even here you can see those atherosclerotic narrowings here. So this is an angiogram which is showing atherosclerotic narrowing. If you see, this is also an angiogram, and here you can see it is markedly narrowed. So this is the femoral artery, and if you see here, there is narrowing of artery here. Here there is no flow of the contrast, and then here there is no flow of contrast properly. See, you can see the narrowing here. Here you can see the narrowing. So there are multiple thrombi which you can see in various branches of femoral artery and also the femoral artery. Okay, so this is one more angiogram showing atherosclerosis. This is one more angiogram which is here you can see this narrowing at the bifurcation. Okay, so this narrowing is also characteristic of atherosclerosis. So thank you for watching.